everyone, it's Mona here at Craft Klatch, and today is Friday. That means it's another Coaster Friday. Today we're going to make some St. Patrick's Day coasters. I was at the party store and I found these super cute erasers for St. Patrick's Day. And I don't remember putting erasers into resin yet, so I thought we would give that a try, but they are really cute. And I was only going to do one coaster, but I accidentally mixed 2 ounces of resin because I wasn't thinking. So we are going to make 2. Okay, so I'm going to split my resin so I have 1 ounce in each. For the first one, I'm just going to pour the resin in here. It's kind of bubbly, so we'll let it just settle for a while. And the next one is going to be with an orange background because I noticed that the erasers don't have a whole lot of orange in it. So we're going to mix that all up, and all I did was put a little bit of orange pigment in there. I'm going to take my lighter, pop these bubbles. Then I'll start taking some of these erasers out and start just dropping them right in. Okay, now I'm going to take the orange and pour it in here. And 1 ounce as a follow-up to this is going to be plenty. I'm popping the bubbles, letting it all spread out. Now I'm going to be more careful with this one when I'm placing the pieces in, only because I don't want the orange to all of a sudden overflow onto the top of one of them. So I won't be able to do a lot of moving once I get them in there. So wherever I place these, they're kind of going to just have to stay. They don't seem to float too much either, which is good. Now I'm just going to take my lighter and run it over here quickly, just because I do not want to melt an eraser or anything like that either. And then we're going to just let these sit. And really, you only need to let them sit long enough to where they're not going to move around anymore. But I'm just going to let them sit overnight, and then I'll come back and do the final coat. These have cured, and I know they're not going to float or anything, so I can put my final coat of resin on there. And I've mixed about 2 ounces, and I'm going to just pour it right on. I'm going to take my lighter, pop the bubbles, and I'm going to come back several times because it's very, very cold here, and I'm in the basement and my resin tends to be kind of cold. So I'm going to just have to be a little more conscious about my bubble removal. So again, we'll let these sit for 12 hours and then we will come back and take them out. The coasters have cured, so we can pop them right on out. Here's the clear and here's the orange. So I think both are a lot of fun. Be sure to let me know which one you like better, if you like the clear, where you can see different backgrounds behind it, or if you like the orange. You guys, thank you so much for being here. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. May the luck of the Irish be with you. I will definitely see you next time. Remember, life is too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe. Bye, guys.